Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones. Click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. After that, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. After that, tap on Receive on Samsung and Send on Nokia. Now you can click on all of those dots on Nokia smartphone and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to send all of them, so I will go with only one. Just send and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. Now after only a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!